can cut it like this. Very beautiful, very beautiful. When you've got a nice garden around in this area, you see most of the people, they put uh, their green rank green rank flowers and trees. They put it these days on the in the front of the yard. Yes, yes, yes. When you enter the yard, especially when you come to the sitting gate of door, you see your entrance of the house, outside of your when your cars are parking, of when you are enter in this yard. Most of them, they put those green rank trees, yes, be outside of the yard, you understand? Because and that make it so beautiful when there are darker greener flowers or trees in your garden. Yes, yes, yes. And then it looks beautiful. That's light green, yellow. I call it light green rank. Yes, I didn't know what the specific name of this. Yes, yes, yes. And this is nice when you're cutting it like this. You understand? When it's green and this yellow green, you understand? Then you do it like this. You understand? And that is very beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Because when you've got those kind of trees in your yard, they break the garden. You understand it? Break it. Yes, look, there's white roses here. Very beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful roses. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful roses. Yes, it's very nice. It's pretty. So yes, a nice garden is a nice lifestyle. Yes, yes, yes. Please, people, subscribe and like this video, man. Please, for me, do it for me. For Mr. D, do everything. I know you're gonna describe this and like this video. If you can share to other people, share it. Yes, yes, yes. I try. I'm a new beginner of this of YouTube. You understand? I'm not a I'm not a subscriber like these others who earn from Google, but I try my best to become a YouTuber. That's why I need your support. South Africa, you are fabulous. I love you, what you are doing for me. Yes, you're doing great for me. You see this beautiful plots where the nice fence and this green grass, trees, they grow beside, yes, yes, between those wall pillars here. Very smart. You understand? On the top, you cut it straight. Yes, yes, you cut it backside and inside. Yes, yes, and you cut it at nice. Look here, how pretty is this? This is really pretty. Yes, 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 yes. This is really pretty. When you cut it nice, it grows well. Yes, and it grows fast when you cut your trees. Sometimes when things are wild, hectic, it never grows something wild. But when the rainwater fall on it, that grow very sharp. Yes, that's why you must keep it, cutting it nice. Yes, yes, guys. Subscribe this video. I love you all.